Hey everyone, welcome back to Najib Digital, where we dive into the world of web development. Today we're talking about something that's changing the game for developers, Tailwind CSS. If you're looking for a way to style your websites more efficiently and with less hassle, stick around because Tailwind might just be what you're looking for. So, what exactly is Tailwind CSS? In a nutshell, it's a utility-first CSS framework. Unlike traditional CSS frameworks like Bootstrap, which give you pre-styled components, Tailwind gives you utility classes, small, reusable classes that you can combine to build your designs. This means you have full control over the styling without needing to write custom CSS. Let's dive into how Tailwind works. In a traditional CSS approach, you might create a class in your CSS file, write all the styling rules, and then use that class in your HTML. With Tailwind, you use utility classes directly in your HTML elements. As you can see, with Tailwind, we use classes like BGBlue500 for the background color, TextWhite for the text color, PY2 and PX4 for padding, and rounded for rounded corners. This keeps everything in line and easy to manage. Now, let's talk about why Tailwind is awesome and why you might want to use it for your next project. 1. Faster development. With utility classes, you can quickly prototype and build your designs without writing custom CSS. It's like having a design system right out of the box. 2. Consistency. Tailwind ensures consistent styling across your project because you're reusing the same set of utility classes. 3. Responsive design. It's super easy to make your site responsive. Tailwind has built-in support for responsive design, with classes like MD Text LG or LG PX8. 4. Customizability. You can customize Tailwind's default styles to match your brand or project needs by editing the configuration file. 5. Reduced file size. You can purge unused styles, making your CSS file size much smaller and improving your website's performance. Ready to get started with Tailwind? It's simple. You can either use a CDN link to include it in your project or install it via NPM if you're using a build tool like Webpack. After that, you can start using Tailwind classes in your HTML. And if you're using NPM, you can set up a configuration file and start customizing Tailwind to suit your needs. And that's a quick overview of Tailwind CSS. It's a fantastic tool that can make your web development process faster and more enjoyable.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more web development tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.